Immerse yourself in the vibrant flavors of Brazil with this extended Frango a Passarinho recipe, a beloved dish that brings the essence of Brazilian street food right to your kitchen. Frango a Passarinho, or little bird chicken, is celebrated for its irresistibly crispy texture and tangy flavor, making it a favorite among locals and food enthusiasts alike. Ingredients: 2 pounds of chicken, cut into small pieces, 4 cloves of garlic, minced, juice of 2 limes, salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste, 1 teaspoon of paprika optional for added color and flavor, 1/2 cup of flour optional for a crispier coating, vegetable oil for frying, chopped parsley for garnish, lime wedges for serving. Instructions: 1. Marinate the chicken. In a large bowl, combine the chicken pieces with minced garlic, lime juice, salt, pepper, and paprika if using. Mix well to ensure each piece is evenly coated. Let the chicken marinate for at least 30 minutes, or for better flavor, leave it in the refrigerator for a few hours or overnight. 2. Prepare for frying. If you prefer a crispier exterior, lightly dust the marinated chicken pieces with flour, shaking off any excess. 3. Heat the oil. In a deep fryer or a large, heavy-bottom pan, heat enough vegetable oil to completely submerge the chicken pieces. The oil should reach a temperature of about 350 F 175 C for optimal frying. 4. Fry the chicken. Fry the chicken pieces in batches to avoid overcrowding, which can lower the oil's temperature and result in less crispy chicken. Cook until they are golden brown and crispy, about 7 to 10 minutes depending on the size of the pieces. 5. Drain and serve. Use a slotted spoon to transfer the fried chicken to a plate. Line with paper towels to drain any excess oil. Once all the chicken is fried, sprinkle with chopped parsley for a fresh contrast and serve with lime wedges on the side. Serving suggestions: Frango a Passarinho is perfect as a main dish or a snack for gatherings. Serve it alongside a cold beer or a caipirinha for a truly Brazilian experience. It pairs wonderfully with a simple salad, rice, or farofa toasted cassava flour for a complete meal. Enjoy the extended Brazilian Frango a Passarinho recipe, a testament to the simple yet bold flavors of Brazil. This dish is not only a delight to eat but also brings the warmth and joy of Brazilian cuisine to your table.